Good morning, students. I will be teaching 9th Icse, which is trigonometry. This is my first class for 9th Icse. So, I will be starting with trigonometry chapter. Let us begin, students. You have learnt in lower classes like Pythagoras theorem. You should be perfect at this time. Here in this triangle, what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is nothing but AC. Next, what is angle B? 90 degrees. Okay. Next, this is hypotenuse. Next, if this is angle, say something like 30 degrees, 40 degrees, I am representing it as angle. So this is opposite side and this is adjacent. So there are three kinds, or there are six types will be there, which is sine angle, sine, cos, tan, cosec, secant theta, and cot. So before going to this, Pythagoras theorem. What does Pythagoras theorem state? In a right angle triangle, square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. What does it mean? A sum PQR. PR square means square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares on the other two sides. That means PQ square plus QR square. So that means, suppose here if it is square, means like this. Square on the hypotenuse is equal to, when you add this, say this is 25, is equal to say this is 16, say this is 9. So square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. So that means if this is 5, this is 4, if this is 3, 5, 4, 3 are the sides, then this is the equality. So Pythagoras theorem means, once again I am saying, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. So when you add this square, that resulting answer is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. So based on this, there are certain ratios in trigonometry which you need to be perfect. Like for example, sine theta, this is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. For what does it mean? Means sine 30, there are three types of angles are there: 30, 60, 90, 45, 0, and like that. So here sine theta means some angle is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. which we are going to do some problem based on this. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta, tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Sin theta is equal to this. I am referring this as an angle. Opposite side is BC by hypotenuse is nothing but AC, and next cos theta is AB by AC, tan theta opposite by adjacent, that is my BC by AB. So next cosecant. Cosecant is nothing but opposite of sin theta. Means, for example, if 3 is there, what is the inverse form of this one? 1 by 3. So for example, 5 is there. What is the inverse form of 5? 1 by 5. In the same way, cosecant means 1 by sin theta. Secant 1 by cos theta. Cot, here it is tan. Cot only. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. And sin theta is again cosecant is nothing but simply opposite. Here we have written opposite by hypotenuse. No, you should write hypotenuse by opposite. Secant theta, what you have to write? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Cot theta, here we wrote opposite by adjacent by opposite. That's it. If you know these things, we can do some problem based on this. So let us begin some problems. And you need to master some formula based on this. What does that mean is, what is sine 0, 30, 60, 90, 30, 45, and that you need to master the table that I am going to show now. Zero, 30, 60, 91. This is nothing but sine, cos, tan. Sine 0, sine 30, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. This all how we got, we don't bother, just we are looking the table and we will do some problem. Sine 90, 45, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. Next, cos. Simply reverse this. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3 is undefined, infinity. So what I am saying is, you need to master this table, and based on this we will be doing some problem. For example, sine 0, what is the values? 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2, sine 91. Next, cos 0 is 0, cos 30. I told to reverse this. 1 we are writing here, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Next, tan, you divide sine by cos, 0 by 0 you will get. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. This is nothing but 1 by root 3. Next, this is division. How we got tan is sine by cos. Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Just divide this by this, you will get this one. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. Reverse form. 2 cancel 1 by root 3, which is what we have here. So here 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 gets cancelled 1. So this is how it goes. Are you getting my point? Next, suppose if you want cosecant or secant or cot, what you have to do is, what I told just now, sine is nothing but reverse form of cosecant, no? So here cos is the reverse form is secant theta. Next, tan is nothing but, what is the tan reverse form is cot theta. So cosecant is equal to 1 by sin theta, 1 by 0, like that. Next, this we don't go deep into this. So let us solve some problems based on this. Find the value of sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cos 60. You need to master this table, that's it. And how we got this one, that we will be dealing in the next class. So for the first time, just remember these rules. Simple problem. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cos 60. How will you do this problem? Sin 30, just look at the chart, or you prepare the chart by yourself and you do it. Sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2, tan 45 is 1 minus cos 60 is 1 by 2. If you want, you can see the chart, or else you can, if you master it, you will do like this. Next, sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, tan 45 is 1, plus 1 minus 1 is answer. Next one. Sin square 45 plus tan square 45 minus cos square 30. How will you do this one? Sin 45. What is the value of sin 45? 1 by root 2. Tan 45 is nothing but 1. Square it. Cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 or 1 by 2? Cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Because sin 60 is root 3 by 2. I told no, you have to just reverse it. So cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2 whole square. What you will get here? 1 by root 2 whole square is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 1 minus root 3 by 2 whole square, which is nothing but root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, root 9 by 4. Root 9 is nothing but 3 by 4. And you do simplification. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. This and this add, and this will you do by yourself. Are you getting my point? So what we have learnt is Pythagoras theorem we have learnt, some tabular form, how we got the values, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60 and that, and some definitions we have learned, that is sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Next, adjacent is nothing but cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse tan, and the reverse form, inverse form, what I mean to say is sin, what is the inverse form of sin theta? Cosecant theta. Secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta, and cot theta is nothing but 1 by cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, like that. Next, one problem we will see based on values. This is, you should master the table and you should do it. There is no other way. Next one simple question. Sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. What is find cos theta into tan theta? Cos theta into tan theta. How will you do this problem? Just make the Pythagoras theorem. Draw right angle triangle. Mention it as theta. Sin theta. What is the definition of sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. Just write here opposite, hypotenuse, adjacent. Sin theta is equal to 3 by 5 given. Sin theta definition, opposite by hypotenuse. So compare this with this. This is nothing but 3 by 5. So this is 3, hypotenuse is 5. Because the opposite side is 3, hypotenuse is 5. Now find out this value using Pythagoras theorem. What does Pythagoras theorem state? Just now I told square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. 5 square is equal to 3 square plus AB square. So 5 square is nothing but 25. AB square is equal to 25 minus 9. AB square is equal to 16. AB is equal to 4. So we got it as 4. So now what is asking? Cos theta into tan theta. We have found the values from this triangle. Next, simply apply the cos definition. What is cos theta definition? Cos theta definition. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. What is tan theta? Tan theta definition is opposite by adjacent side. Just look at this picture and do it. That's it. Cos is asking cos theta into tan theta. Cos theta. Look at this definition. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 4 by hypotenuse 5 into tan theta. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite side is 3. Adjacent side is 4. Here since it is into symbol is there, 4 gets cancelled, 3 by 5. That's all. Simple students, very easy. In the next class we are going to learn some ratios, like without using tables we have to solve the problem. This is with the right angle triangle. This is by definition, some Pythagoras theorem we are doing, and in the previous problems I told is you have to master the tables, and in the next session we have to use this problem without the table. Next, let us do one more problem. And one more thing, you should also master this. Sin 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Vice versa. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. and tan 90 minus theta is equal to some cot theta, like that. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. In the same way, cosecant 90 minus theta cot theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. Sorry, cosecant 90 minus cosecant 90 minus theta is nothing but secant theta. So is it clear? So one problem, let us do one problem. This is another formula which you need to by heart. Sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, tan 90 minus theta. Simply sin, cos, sin, tan, cot, secant, cosecant, secant. Like that. Find the value of sin 30 minus sin 90 plus 2 cos 0 by tan 30 tan 60. How will you do this problem? Sin 30, what I told, you need to master the table. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 90 is 1 plus 2 into cos 0. What is into cos 0? Just now I have shown the table now, like sin, cos, tan 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So sin 0 is 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 91. Cos. Next, write this in the reverse form. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. 0 by something, 0. Divide this. You will get 1 by root 3. Next 1, this is root 3. That's it. This is 1 by 0 is, we cannot find out, that is infinite. 2 into cos 0. Cos 0 is 1 by tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Just see this table here. Now how will you do this problem? This, I am erasing the table. You need to by heart this one. So 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 2 by root 3 gets cancelled. Here denominator is 1. Next, this 2 1 by 2 minus 1. 5 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2. So let us solve one more problem. Like this you have to do, if they give like this, find the values or like that. Just one different type of model. Phi tan theta is equal to 4. Find the value of phi sin theta minus 3 cos theta by phi sin theta plus 2 cos theta. How will you do this problem? Can anyone tell? Simple. Draw a right angle triangle. A, B, C. Here 5 tan theta is equal to 4. What is tan theta? 5 into tan theta is equal to 4. Divide both sides by 5. Tan theta is equal to 4 by 5. Mention it as theta. What is tan theta definition? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite side is 4. Opposite by adjacent 5. Next, find out this one. How will you do this one? Square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. Let me see. So here, how will this one? AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. So this is nothing but 4 square plus 5 square. 16 plus 25, which is nothing but AC square is equal to 16 plus 25 is nothing but 41, root 41. So 16 plus 25 41. AC square is equal to 41. Then AC will be root 41. Now he is asking find phi into sin theta. Just replace this. Phi sin theta. Phi into sin value. Opposite by hypotenuse. Definition. Sin value is 4 by root 41 minus 3. Cos theta definition. Adjacent by hypotenuse. By phi into sin theta. Opposite by hypotenuse. Next, plus 2 cos theta. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Simplify, you will get the answer. 5 4s are 20 by root 41 minus 15 by root 41 by next 20 plus 20 by root 41 plus 10 by root 41. 20 minus 15 is 5 by root 41 by 30 by root 41. 5 by 30. That is nothing but 1 by 6. So in this way you have to do this problem. In the next class we will be doing some typical problems which are very useful from examination point of view. These are just basics which I am doing. Some simple problems based on how to represent, how to remember the values, and what is that sine inverse form is cosecant, tan inverse form is cot, like that. Today in the next class we will be learning more about the values, and without tables like that we will be doing. But today let us stop. Thank you very much. Bye.